Hello guys, it's Kevin Daniel once again, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a full breakdown on how I was able to catch this particular trade on gold last Friday. If you have been following me for a while, you will know that my precision on gold is actually top notch. My win rate is, should I say, crazy. Yeah. Those that are on my Telegram channel will know that I posted all this trade. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. But 5 of them posted them all live on my Telegram channel before they played out. So we all made good money from it. We all made crazy money from it. So my last trade on XAUUSD, that's this particular trade here. So let me give you guys a breakdown on how I was able to catch this trade so you learn from it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want more content like this. So let's start. Now, gold has been an uptrend for a while, and this is the last daily range that we've been working with, where price actually give us this new high, put back into this kind of level, reacted from this breakout block here to push to the upside to give us another new high. So around this level here, the 4 hours time frame aligned with the daily time frame, as you can see, where this 4 hours low took out this previous high right here to give us a new high. So now we need to pull back into discount levels on this 4 hours range before the next leg up, which we saw here, where price put back into discount levels. And on the 1 hour time frame, price has been giving us a series of higher lows and higher highs on this particular time frame, and this was the last low that gave us this particular high. So this was where I wanted to buy from, but it failed, and I lost the particular trade. And after losing that particular trade, price broke out of this trend line to invalidate any long idea from that area. Your stop loss should actually lead to an invalidation of that particular idea. So when price stopped me at around this point, it invalidated the entire idea to long from this particular point of interest. And if you've watched my previous video, you will understand what I mean by invalidating this particular level, because this stop loss here led to a breakout of a trend line. And when there's a breakout, every internal structure found within that trend becomes trend line liquidity. So this low became trend line liquidity. This one automatically also did what became trend line liquidity that price actually took as well. So when I saw this breakout and retest around this point, I knew it was time to sell. And price is definitely going to be targeting this liquidity level here and this trend line liquidity around this point. So I went down to the 15 minutes time frame to get my 15 minutes range that I'll be working with. So we got the 15 minutes range high and we got the 15 minutes range low. So this is what I am working with right now. Now, how did I get my entry? Let me clear all this. After identifying my 15 minutes range, we have the high, we have the low here. We'll go down to the 5 minutes to get an entry. Like I said, this is just a scalp, most likely. So on those 5 minutes time frame, I was able to identify this eye that got swept. This would have been a perfect entry, but guess what? On this 5 minutes time frame, that particular area has been mitigated. You see the change of character around this level after price swept liquidity. We have the change of character, and here's a pullback to actually mitigate that point of interest here. So this one has been mitigated. So I'd have loved to go with the next point of interest, which is this particular other block. This one also swept liquidity here, as you can see. But the issue is, I think it has been mitigated as well. After the break of structure, gave us this engineered liquidity and all, and price did what? Pulled back, took out the engineered liquidity and tap into that area. So this has also been mitigated. This breaker block is actually coming from a valid order block that swept liquidity, took out this previous high, but price did what? Invalidated it. So this is the area I will be using. This is the area I actually used, particular breaker block. So there's a gap for price to fill around this level, making this particular area a risky entry for those that want to sell from the last bearish candle before the breakout structure with the last bullish candle before the I don't trade like that anymore anyway. I used to, let's say about 2 to 3 years ago. Yeah, but not anymore. Which is why it's actually good to refine how you trade. The more you trade, the more you grow, you find out that some things don't work the way they used to, some things have been added to it and all that. Back in 2021, 2022, I would have taken my trade from this level here because it is the last bearish candle before the last bullish candle before the bearish breaker structure. So moving forward, I got my entry from this point, and this becomes an inducement for uninformed traders because most people still trade like this. And of course, this is going to become the inducement here. And since I got my inducement, there's a fair value gap here for price to fill, and there's a very nice breakout block here as well. I entered around this point here. My entry has been identified. Stop loss just above that particular area. Stop loss just above that particular area. And my target, I target the next level of liquidity, this external range liquidity around this point. And of course, when price did all it did, price actually gave a 1 minute confirmation around here. But I don't want this video to be long, so I won't go into it. The price gave a 1 minute confirmation around here. And after all that, you can see price boom to the downside, take profits immediately. So it's actually a clean step to take. It's more like trading intentionally. Yeah. Why should you take a trade from this point? Why not this point? Why should you take a trade from this point? Why not this? There is actually a reason behind everything. So when you are taking your trade from this point, why are you targeting this level? There should be a reason. You don't just set targets. There should be a reason why you are targeting a particular level and all that. So this was how I was able to actually catch this trade. It was a 1 to 5 hour trade, I must say. So I think it was a 1 to 5 hour trade, and that was it. So this one today I just hit TP. It was not yet at TP when I started this video, but it's now at TP. Very good. Trade breakdown coming up later. Now, for those asking about the broker I trade with Access Markets, no commissions. They have the tightest spread in the industry, and I mean it. When you compare their spreads with other brokers, just look for someone that's trading with other brokers and compare the spread. You will be shocked. Their spread is so tight, and they also give you 50% bonus when you deposit $1,000 and above. Right? The minimum deposit on the broker is, I think, $10. Their trade execution is flawless, deposit and withdrawal fast and reliable as well. And they also have unlimited leverage. For those with small accounts, you can use it. The link is in the description below. You can click on it, create an account, fund it, join my Telegram channel. Let's trade. I'll be dropping my trades for free. All you just have to do is take my trades and make money. See you guys in my next video.